Hi everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to be walking through this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in bright white. So you have your headlights and your running lights. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6. Coming around to the side, it's currently sitting on 17-inch alloy wheels. And then we have your heated exterior mirrors. Opening up the driver's side door, we have our exterior mirrors, locks and windows, cup holder with some storage, your headlamp adjuster, and then we have this black cloth seating. You have a manually adjusted seat. Opening up the back, we have your manually adjusted seats. We can fold these down and flip them up if we need to for cargo space. We have the storage behind the seats, and then our back 3 seats here. There are cup holders and some storage in the back. It just slides to close. In the back, we lift it up here. We have our stowaway seats, so they actually fold down into the back here. It's quite easy. It has everything tagged, so you do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it just flips down just in case you have to haul something with extra cargo. We have some space up here. Just close that up. We have your nice SXT badge and your Grand Caravan badge. Coming around to the other side here, so we can just fold this down if we need to, or lift it up completely. Easy access to the back there. And then we have the storage behind. Opening up the passenger side, we have cup holders, some storage, locks and windows, your manually adjusted seat, and the glove compartment here. I'm going to grab the key to show you the rest inside. So here's our key. We have our panic button, unlock and lock, and then we also have an aftermarket remote start. So I'm just going to start it up. On our steering wheel, we have our cruise control options. And over here, this allows us to scroll through here. So there's currently 2,635 kilometers on this vehicle. If you want to make sure that you're fully covered, do speak to your financial advisor about purchasing any extended warranties. Moving on to our center here, we have our media. So we have a CD player, AM, FM, aux. We have our volume, our tuner. We can set our presets. We have our climate control as well as our defrosters, eco mode, traction control off, and your hazards. And then this opens up here for some cup holders and more storage down below. So plenty of storage throughout this van, which is awesome. Alright, so that concludes my video on this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come check it out for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.